everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I just wanted to do a video using some of the Masterboard printouts that I created this month from the From Scraps to Masterboard swap to make some tags. I'm making some tags for Pen Pal Mail, and so I thought I would use some of these. So I have a bunch to choose from, and I'm just going to make a whole bunch of tags. So what I'm going to do is take these and cut them to the size I want and then embellish them a bit. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Also, just want to invite you, if you're interested in participating in the swap, From Scraps to Masterboard swap, it's available on my channel, my Facebook group. And the information is below in this video, but also on my Facebook group. And it's really fun to find a partner, swap scraps, and then post your Masterboard that you create. So it's really fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Masterboards and I'm going to cut them to about, let's go 5 inches on most of them. So we're mass making actually. And I'm going to make them 2.5 inches, I think is a good size for pockets and that kind of thing. So now we can just play. That's what I like to call playing, because we want to embellish these, right? So I have a corner rounder that I really like to use, and I also have like a tag punch, and it goes up to 2.5 inches. So if it's over 2.5, then I'm gonna have to round the edges and punch out with my, you know, my trimmer or something. So they really don't need a whole lot, but we're going to play with these a little bit and add a little bit more. But look how beautiful and colorful they are. So I'm going to take just some ink and I'm going to go around all the edges on all of them. And then we're going to embellish them a little bit. All right, now I've got 12 here. This one was the 3-inch one. I did little lanyard punch there. That will be really different, and that'll be nice. And then I've got stickers and different things that I can use to embellish. So let's just get started. We'll just pick one, and we'll just use some words. This is Pretty Butterfly. Pretty. So let's just start here and just stick butterfly on there. And we've got this pretty I Can't Forget sticker. So just have some fun. So what is your favorite thing to do with tags? Do you like to add dimension? Like I like to add some cheesecloth, just to add to give it a little extra dimension. Like this one, I'm just gonna tuck it right here, and that glue will hold it in. And then we can put this I Can't Forget word on there. I'll just do it like this. And I feel like this needs a little flower. So I've got some flowers here. So we'll just put that on there, like right here. And that's that easy. Just using a Masterboard with the background is just super easy to collage or add to your Masterboard. So this one has some paper. So we'll just put a little, we're just going to add a little bit to this one. And we'll put some more of the cheesecloth on there. Just put it here. I have another butterfly that would be pretty. But I kind of want to use, I have a dragonfly too. I think that would be pretty. Let's use the dragonfly. It's right here. I just want to get it off here. And then we can put maybe a flower. Have some real pretty birds. Could put up there. Ephemera. And we'll add a little muted color there. So then we can do that one. And we do another. Just add this on here. I'm gonna play with these a little bit and try to come up with some fun ideas for you. Just different things that you can use to put your little extra on your tags. Here are the ones I've finished. So that's Gracie. She wants something. So you can see how fun it is just to collage on these tags, and the background is so pretty. You don't even really have to do anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make some tags, make some master boards, enjoy it, have fun, be creative. Thanks for watching.